Hello, this is Jerome Cerilia. Today I'm going to share to you some of the postcards that I received. So come, let's get closer and let's have fun. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm going to document all the postcards I received internationally so that I can remember. The event is gonna get lost. At least I have a souvenir. The first one I'm going to show you is an artwork. And then instead of humans, they replace it with cats. This is a very beautiful postcard. And then what I did is, since I really like it, the one I have with Post Crossing, yung nakipag-swap ako, I gave her two postcards from the Philippines. I prefer postcards with, let's say, written and stamped. This one is from Austria. Isn't it nice? Though medyo naging nagkaroon siya ng damage, but I prefer those kinds of postcards. So, this is my favorite. This one naman is postcard siya, at the same time parang paper doll siya eh. It was been sent to me from UP Diliman. Dinisign niya ng ganyan-ganyan, no? Mga cat, I like this one, mga chocnuts. And it's from the Philippines. You see, UP Post Office. Yung pinapakita ko sa inyo, yung hindi kasya sa album. So, yung mga sobrang laki. This one is so nice. Is, ano siya, sabihin natin na moonlight. And there's a key. See? May konting damage siya dito, but I'm not so sure bakit. Excuse me. This from Iowa. I like the stamps. Basically, karamihan ng padala sa akin from the States is like that. There you go. This one is from China, the red China. It's really nice. It's more of an illustration of a local street in China. And when I look at it, my cross, probably it is going towards the church. There you go. Isn't it nice? This is really China, the stamps. I like the stamps though. That's why I like postcards. Use postcards and address to me. This one is also from China. I really like it. This is in the Forbidden City. And then there's Amon na naman. Isn't it nice? And then it's really a nice din yung yung stamps. Meron din siyang knitted stamps. I like. And then the drum tower in Beijing. And then this is the Chinese, what you call it one? Yung handwritten for the Philippines. I ask kasi. There you go. Every time pala na na-receive ko yung mga postcard nila, I also say thank you. And this one is from Sri Lanka. It depicts the stilt fishing. Diba? Medyo may damage sa dulo because it travels way back from South Asia going to, let's say, sa Philippines. I'm not so sure kung may pinagdaanan pa to. There you go. I like the stamps also. Diba? Multiple stamps. Sa Philippines kasi I can't do that eh. Kasi nag exceed na yung yung bayad. Kung dadagdagan ko pa, dadami pa yung mamahal pa siya. Ito naman, same with Sri Lanka, same sender. This is a fresco sa mga buildings or cave. Nice, right? And the stamps is also wonderful. Sri Lanka. Okay. Okay, the next one I have here is the flag of Australia. Actually, I never thought na irregular pala yung size niya na hindi magkakasya sa album ko. But it's okay. And then, what beautiful here is the stamp also. Isn't it nice? I think siya lang yung gumawa nitong ano na to. This one is real a tourist card. There's a church and then surrounded ng wall niya is yung monastery nila. I think so. And malapit siya sa cliff. It's so nice, I think. This is from Czech Republic. Excuse me. Nice. This one's crazy. Sobrang laki niya. This is from America. This is Florida. This is in Hollywood Beach. There you go. Sobrang laki. Dinikita nila niya ng sticker. Pero it's love. Okay. Nice. This one is crazy. It's Nativity Church in Arbanasi. This is yung mga ano ng mga Catholic Orthodox, right? And this one is from Bulgaria. See, it's from Bulgaria. I'm really ano talaga, thankful na I received such ano very nice postcard from Bulgaria. Okay, it's a church again. It's irregularly shaped. And then this one is from Czech Republic. Yeah. This one is Czech Republic also. Crazy, right? Actually, nakaka-receive ako ng postcard. Sometimes they do travel up to 3 months. I don't know why. Gusto lang dumating sa amin. This one is I bought for myself when I visited yung Ayala Museum. This is deity for beauty and fertility. So sad kasi tingnan mo naman, no, ito yun lang yung ano ko. Pero it's okay. A souvenir na rin sa meter stamp from the Philippines. This is Newfoundland. Pero ngayon, ang Newfoundland kasi under na siya ng Canada. Before different countries nila, different territory of United Kingdom. It's a moose. Huh? It's so liit, the stamp. But it's okay. This one is welcome, ano, post-crossing PH. Nagpa-member na ako. Ah, before, I used to send only postcard to myself to the places I went to or visited. Pero, ang dami ko kasing postcard. So, I prefer talaga yung mga postcard na nagagamit. Pero sana naman si post office, huwag silang magtapa kung saan-saan. Katulad ng ganyan. And there you go. Ang founder is galing sa United States. Mga washi, ano lang ito. Okay, there you go. I'll put that one. And this one is one of my favorites. So crazy, right? It's a cat. Para siyang Japanese, ano, something. Nakakimono siya. And may mga tattoo-tattoo pa siya. Meron pa siyang headdress. Nag-smoke pa siya. Tapos meron pa siyang dog. Right? May tattoo pa na ano, koi. If I'm mistaken, this is from Taiwan. Yeah, this is from Taiwan. Yeah, nice, right? It's one of the beautiful. Kaya lang, may ganyan siya, oh. Kaya nagkaganyan yan dahil sa ano yan, sa pag-deliver. This one may postcard to. Kasi anong nangyari sa kanya, nagkamali siya sa pagsulat ng address. Nagkikip din ako ng ano ko, ng mga ganito. So, I like the forever stamps. This one is crazy. This is a gnome. If you're going to put it ganyan, top view, it seems na tinitingnan ka niya, di ba? Pag ganyan din, oh, crazy, and I like it. This is small card, and this is from France. I like it, like it, like it. At ang dami ng stamps. This one is the most I like. Cartoon. This one is from the US. When I saw it sa ano, excuse me, from the trading post, akala ko itong fairy na to, ano siya, totoo. Excuse me, part ng artwork. Hindi pala, sticker lang. I felt cheated, but then again, it's part of the package, and I like it. There you go. Bakit walang ganun? Cancellation. But then again, sticker yun. If you're gonna peel it off, mapupunit na. This one is also from the US. This is a sea of clouds, and then this is mountain. It's either sunset or sunrise. I like it. Kaya lang dito niya tinatakan. Oh, meron pa dito. Oh. There you go. I like also the storms. D&D. This is a game. And this is an old stamp. Tinalagyan niya. And then, naglagay na siya ng forever stamps. This is from Teensy. Ito crazy. This is a souvenir from Spain. Bakit may video? I think ginawa lang niya to. This is the Basilica. No, sorry. Sagrada Familia. Ito pala. Basilica de Sagrada Familia. In Barcelona. Matatapos na to hopefully soon. Tagal ginagawa nito. And this one is from Romania. Nag-travel to nang sabihin natin almost 3 months growing here sa bahay namin. And lastly, sa mga rare shape or irregular shape, this is from Malaysia, the Petronas Tower. There you go. I also like the stamps. And then, meron siyang dinecorate niya. Stickers. So, that's everything. And siguro share ko sa inyo yung mga shape na the usual shape of postcard. To my next video. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye now.